Paid up to $7.50/article. 10 webs pay you to write posts online. Are you looking for a web post composing website so you can start making money online? Writing freelance posts gives you the opportunity to work from home. Jobs, for which the author of the post can make money, are listed every day. We provide a post writing service for a living and have learned that simply recognizing where online writing jobs are half the battle won. It could be that you want to try to publish some of your own posts online and don't know where to start. Being able to write and make money online can be very useful. You can choose to work with clients or websites that you are most interested in. You want to create a freelance job portal, which is very helpful because the employers themselves are posting updated jobs. All you have to live with is create a writer account and start exploring job offers. Improve your writing skills. Increasing your knowledge and skills as a writer can help you create money, which moreover can be a reliable source of bread and butter. Check out the following tips on methods to improve your writing skills so that you want to create big paying writing jobs online. Know the latest trends. Writing is an expedition that never ends, which means it takes a strong thirst to improve your skills. For example, search engine optimization, SEO, deals with the creation of content aimed at ranking in search engines. By pursuing the method of maximizing content using SEO principles, such as sorting out the right keywords and links, you can be competitive and get hired as an SEO writer. Take a short writing course. Take advantage of free online writing short courses, contributed by the author himself as well as experts in their fields, such as academics. Even though you can be a native English speaker, good content includes not only good grammar and spelling but also creative and organized thinking to get your message right to the audience the post is intended for. If you want to make money writing online for other people, here are 10 websites you can get paid to write your own posts. 1. Wow Women on Writing, $50. 100. Does one thing really well: they protect female writers, encourage them, and sincerely seek to offer opportunities to newcomer freelancers. Their audience is diverse and is entirely focused on providing excellent content for women. Wow Female focuses on innovative business, freelancing, and training. Posts are usually detailed and designed to help writers improve their skills and showcase their work. You have the option of requesting payment via PayPal or, if in the US, by check. 2. Strong Whispers, $50. $150. Strong Whispers offers readers a variety of posts about lifestyle, areas, and other social issues. Its reach is wide. Your donation is unlimited. Posts can range from industrial greed to learning reforms or shifts in world leadership to letting people take control and make decisions about our methods of treating areas and exploiting energy sources. 3. Linkable, $100. $750. Linkable is the best method for great quality writers to make money from publishing for a variety of clients and industries. Linkable matches authors who can publish on the web with relevant businesses looking to get their terms, links, and traffic to the web. 4. Cracked.com, $100. $200. Cracked.com is basically a web of humor. If you are a funny smart creative person, Cracked.com offers a great opportunity to earn bonus money by writing posts. No need for experience. When the content is good, this is a great method for making money from the web. You can have a direct dialogue with the editor. It contains posts, Photoshop, infographics, and videos. Take your choice. 5. Watch Culture, $25. $500. Watch Culture offers its news coverage, opinions, and entertainment to millions of users around the world every month. As an online magazine based in the UK, this magazine covers well-known zeitgeists. Every day, dozens of writers make money by publishing posts about movies, music, games, sports, TV, and more to their viewers, which are increasing by 5 million per month. 6. Developer Tutorials, $30. $50. The developer guide provides its users with a regular supply of programming and design guides to keep them up to date on new and emerging technologies and methods. They are also looking for posts that reference cool and useful notes that can be of interest to users and also discover the benefits of reading. 7b. Michelle Pippin, $50, $150. Michelle Pippin is again looking for posts aimed at helping small businesses increase profits, influence, or impact. Michelle Pippin provides sharp, high-quality business and marketing content to a wide audience. If you have some authentic work, good inspiration, or a hack for a business, niche marketing, this could be a website to consider. Although focused on women in business, this website provides a fair combination of posts about profits, sources of entrepreneurial energy, posts on marketing and research issues, and relevant news about the world of business. The website has a large audience as well as a broad combination of business and marketing related modules. 9. Metro Parent, $50, $75. Metro Parent Publishing Group is open to experienced freelance writers to help build magazine content and their website. Their universal aim is to combine fun and substantive local stories that appeal to local parents. 9. SitePoint. Visit link for pricing. SitePoint writers are usually reliable websites with a passion for development and design. SitePoint is specifically looking for content that is technical, instructive, well-written, and innovative. Based in Melbourne, Australia, SitePoint works with post writers from around the world. Editors are website developers as well as designers at the top of the industry. They claim to pay a price above the industry for quality posts. 10. Uxbud, $100. Uxbud again in design. I have thought about it. The rest of their web is bullshit. For example, the garden about us begins with this word. Uxbooth is a publication by and for the user experience community. Our readership consists mainly of user experience as well as newcomer to intermediate interaction designers. The point is anyone's guess. This could be great for the user experience. However, it is hardly worthwhile if you are looking for a reading experience. But even so, they are offering you money to join them in the art of bullshit. Well, that's my discussion. Friends, if you have the expertise to write articles, there's nothing wrong with trying to register on the 10 sites I described earlier. Or you can also write your own articles on your blog while practicing your writing skills. I wish you luck and become a famous writer someday. See you.